folks. Thank you for joining me for the Harrison Repair Show. I'm Brian Harrison. Actually, I just called Harrison Repairs. Um, and yeah, I just want to leave a friendly reminder. Don't please forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on the video. And if you're on Rumble, follow me there. Um, I upload videos there too. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook. And links and descriptions are in the home pages of both YouTube and Rumble. Um, I want to say that I hope you enjoy the show, whether we're repairing something, whether we're showing tools that you can buy, simple, maybe even simple tools, tools to help you with a repair. But I hope you enjoy today's video. So please sit back and let's begin the show.
Well, we're here looking at this battery holder. That's what I want to call it. I'm glad I got this, and part of your repair kit is having batteries to, keep your electronics running, whatever you decide to do. This is how we keep our electronics running. We have batteries. I have batteries for things that need it, smoke detectors, whatever. So, yeah, this is it. This is our, well, it's not all here, but a lot of it's here. Okay. So, we're going to look inside this, and I'll show you what it comes with. Okay, here you go. Obviously, I already have batteries in here. It comes with the way to hold batteries, and you can see, I hold my smaller batteries. Let's look at the camera. Let's put it up a little bit. There we go. Let's do this, so you can kind of see the whole thing. I put my smaller batteries in here, like for watch repair. I do some watch repair. If you've ever seen a couple of my watch videos, I believe I had this at the time, and the batteries came. I put the batteries in here. They come from in here. And I buy them occasionally. I buy a bunch of them, or I buy quite a few of them, throw them in there. They last for quite a while. Anyway, and the cool thing is, a way to test your batteries, to see if they work. So you take this little doohickey battery tester, and you put it, you open this up, you put it in here, and it says good. Okay, it still says good. And you can see that, and then all you have to do is pull it out, and it goes back. Okay? So that's how you test. That's how it's cool. It comes with a battery tester. I like it because it's not just for holding batteries, it's also for testing them, and that's a good sign of knowing and repairing. You have to replace your batteries, test them to make sure they work before you decide to throw them out. Make sure it's the battery that's the problem, not the electronic. And I think everybody should at least have a battery tester in their home. I know people who do, but it's nice because then you know, and it says battery daddy. And I had looked at this, and my woman knew I had wanted this, and we got it one time because I knew we needed a way to hold our batteries. So, some we could buy more of, and then we also know how much we have. It fits right there. This is called Battery Daddy. This is a CNN TV section we bought at Walmart, and quite a while ago. But it was worth it. I almost got a second one, to be honest. So, but we have one, and it closes. See, so, and then you have your 9-volt and your AA, AAA. So there you go. D's, C's. We don't have C's. I hardly get those. I don't know if we have stuff that run on C's. We did have the trash can. Our trash can ran on this, but we got rid of it because the sensor died. And we went to a trash can we should have gotten all along because we had a step trash can. We just upgraded it, and we still use it, where you just go over and you push down, and it opens up the lid, and then you throw stuff in with your foot. And now I see why, especially our hospital likes those. They use those a lot, where you step on them, not the digital ones, because the digital ones die. But these ones will last you. Ours, every time we get a step one, which we have one in the bathroom, and it start with my woman. I didn't have one. I just had trash can. You just threw stuff into it, and like those lids where you throw stuff in, the lid would go down and then come back up or whatever. So a cheap one. And then my one came and she had a step one. Then we got another step one, but then we decided, oh, let's get and that's for the bathroom. So that's why the batteries are here. But on the other side, you can see that. Look at that. You could see that because AA seems to be the big one for whatever reason. We have all these AA batteries that are able to fit. So they put a lot of AA spaces in this one. So if you really feel like it, you could buy 2 of these and have a bunch of AA. I almost thought about buying 1 more of these because I have rechargeable batteries, and just buy a bunch of rechargeable batteries, and they would have a spot in here. And then, because rechargeable batteries are a cool thing. Anyway, so that's what we have with this. Oh yeah, let me open this up. I only kind of, just in case you can't see it. See, there you go. All the glorious. So all this side is just rechargeable batteries. That's all it is. So, and then they close down, they lock. You can flip it, and it has a handle. So I just think this was a cool thing. If you hear me on this playlist or this channel, when you see these type of videos on repairs, Harrison Repairs, you see that the fact that I am for having stuff like this in your toolkit or something, even if you don't have this, at least try to get a battery tester. But having stuff like this, it organizes, like this is organize our batteries. I know where it is. I do. I actually use this when I need batteries. I don't use it all the time. I just use it when I need batteries. Or if I decide I need to test a battery, it's all here. This whole thing is here. It stores batteries. Anything deals with batteries is here. And that's what I like about this kit. So, I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys will, those who haven't, if you have, don't worry about this. Or this is new to you, you can pick one up for yourself. I hope, or something similar to this. I hope you can find, that watching my videos, maybe watching other people's videos who may show you more of their basic home repair kits or anything like that will help you. In this time, it's nice to be able to do some things yourself. And just have some tools as you need them. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time, and I'll leave with a closing thought. And that's it for now.
I want to thank you for joining us for the Harrison Repair. I guess we call it Harrison Repair Show, but it's actually Harrison Repairs. I hope you enjoyed what we showed you today on video. And when we do these things, we take a camera and go and show you. We're not talking about it on a green screen all the time. So I want to thank you for whatever. If we showed you a repair or tool, thank you so much. But please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on our videos, and it helps us out a lot. And don't forget to follow us on Rumble and on Facebook. And yeah, I just want to thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a nice day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.